Welcome back. The DMK has continued its attack on the ruling AIADMK government, but is the party facing a bigger threat from within? As a crack in the party's leadership threatens to surface, Chief Minister E. Palanisamy is reportedly sitting on a long list of transfers of IAS and IPS officers. A list that has reportedly been cleared by Sasikala Natarajan herself from the Bengaluru prison cell where she has been lodged in. Only one transfer has been completed so far. The list also reportedly includes the transfer of the Chief Secretary. Sources have told India Today that E. Palanisamy is not in favour of the Chief Secretary's transfer. Palanisamy is still to meet Sasikala in jail since he came to power. Whether Palanisamy is showing signs that he will be his own man or will he keep the chair warm for Sasikala is now the big question on many people's minds. So clearly, Tamil Nadu may have a new chief minister, but its troubles are far from over. Opposition leader M.K. Stalin is in the capital with a delegation of top DMK leaders to meet President Pranab Mukherjee and raise their concerns about Tamil Nadu. The delegation will meet President Mukherjee around 7 o'clock this evening. After a day-long hunger strike yesterday, DMK acting chief M.K. Stalin, Tiruchi Siva, T.K.S. Elangovan and R.S. Bharati will meet President Mukherjee to raise the issue of the government's trust vote that was conducted out. The DMK has insisted repeatedly that the vote electing E. Palanisamy was illegal and unconstitutional. The DMK has also demanded that a no-confidence motion be brought against the Speaker after the party's members were evicted from the House. This after chaos and disorder broke out in the Tamil Nadu Assembly during the voting on 18th of February.
Sasikala Natarajan has been convicted as a criminal and jailed, but Tamil Nadu is still running under her proxy rule. We are going to meet the president and ask him to dissolve this government. Second, the injustice, chaos and disorder that happened during the trust vote and the speaker who stood by them and helped them perpetrate these injustices. We are going to meet the president today and ask for some justice in this regard.
And Ashutosh Mishra was at the airport when M.K. Stalin arrived and made those comments to the press. Ashutosh, for the remaining part of the day now, M.K. Stalin here, which are the other leaders that he is likely to meet, other than, of course, making those representation at President Pranab Mukherjee's court?
Well, Smita, this evening, Stalin will be meeting President to seek his intervention perhaps in the Tamil Nadu Assembly. And what he has told reporters that they will ask President to hold another voting in the secret ballot. Other than that, he's likely to meet few Congress leaders at the same time to seek further support in Tamil Nadu. And he has also made some kind of, that who is going to meet the other leaders. The kind of that mystery that remains undercover. But we are also trying to go across Stalin and ask him several more questions. Although I asked that whether he is so much sure that President is going to intervene on his plea. He was clearly clueless. But what he is saying that the voting which took place in Tamil Nadu Assembly on 18 that stands unconstitutional and illegal. Also, a number of times he has said that there will be a secret ballot voting within the Tamil Nadu Assembly. Also, that Sasikala is ruling Tamil Nadu proxy despite being in jail. So the number of questions now before Stalin. He has also challenged that the confidence motion moved by EPS and the entire Tamil Nadu House proceeding in the High Court. But at the same time, the biggest step he's taking, going to the president and seeking political support from the political opponents outside Tamil Nadu, here in the national capital. So the suspense continue to be that who's going to meet and who are those political leaders, the political parties. They are really expected to come out in support of Stalin.
Okay, but how long is Stalin expected to camp in Delhi really? Does he have plans for tomorrow as well after he has met with President Mukherjee?
Well, he'll be meeting President this evening, and what we are hearing that he's likely to hold around, another meeting with the political leaders tomorrow as well. So more likely he'll be staying in the national capital by tomorrow evening. Smita?
Does it also look like, Ashutosh, that this is more about really a show of strength, to keep the pot boiling in Tamil Nadu rather than really something concrete coming through?
Well, he's trying to come with a power show that he also holds some kind of support in Tamil Nadu. He holds the number, and we are hearing from our sources within the AIADMK, and we are also seeing, watching very closely how OPS is gathering support and holding march against Shashikala. Proxy rule Shashikala. This is not only being said by Stalin, but also OPS camp. Shashikala is proxy ruling the Tamil Nadu government with EPS.
Right.
So we have to see whether is Stalin going to take support from the OPS group as well, or you're only taking support from the leaders in the political parties in the national capital? So that is going to really be very interesting in coming weeks.
Okay, appreciate you joining us on the broadcast, Ashutosh, with the very latest and all those, in fact, perspectives as well. The AIADMK's General Secretary, meanwhile, remember, may have control of Tamil Nadu from a prison cell, but it appears she has very little control over her own incarceration at Bengaluru's Parapanna Agrahara jail. The AIADMK's Karnataka unit has said that Sasikala has applied for better facilities, including a cot, a mattress, a table fan and an attached bathroom. She has cited health reasons for the same requests. The AIADMK General Secretary's previous request for a helper, home-cooked food and hot water, among other things, was denied. Her party is still seeking a transfer of their leader to a Chennai central jail, but the transfer will only take place if the prison superintendent considers the request for health or humanitarian reasons, and also not before 15 days has been spent at least in this prison.